Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Noctua NH-U9S CPU Cooler. I'll be installing this cooler in my Ryzen 7 5800X CPU. So here in the front you have some information regarding the CPU cooler. It has 6 years of warranty, supports most motherboards and RAM modules. Here in the back, same story. On this side we have some detailed information regarding the CPU cooler. And here you have some information about the height of the CPU cooler. You have to make sure that your case can support this height of a CPU cooler, otherwise you won't be able to install it. Alright, so let's get to the actual unboxing. Alright, so here we have the CPU cooler. The fan is also installed, comes installed with it, and it has a fairly decent design. This is the famous Noctual fan, and it has 5 heat transfer pipes, and this is the base that connects to the top of the CPU. And this is the power cable for the fan. Next, let's have a look at the accessories box. So here is the instructions on how to install an AMD CPU. And this is the instructions on how to install an Intel system. This bag contains the thermal paste and a Noctua label, a logo that you can stick on your PC case. And there are some additional cable for power, I believe. And this is a low noise adapter. This mounting bracket is only used in Intel systems. So this contains all the stuff needed for installing the CPU cooler on an Intel system. And these are the parts that are required for mounting on an AMD system, which I'll be using on my gaming PC build. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.